Hello, this is Dr. Naik. Welcome to Naik's Family Blog. Today I'm going to cook the spinach peas curry. The easy peas curry. It's very healthy option for the kids, those who don't like to eat spinach. So the spinach is being cooked in a way that the kids really love this recipe, and they don't bother their parents for not eating it. So it's very good, very healthy, and very easy to make. The recipe which I am giving is very easy. So what I have done is that I have washed 3 bunches of spinach, washed it with the cold water very thoroughly, so that there should be no dirt in that. After doing that, I have blanched it in the hot water. As soon as it was blanched means when it changes the color, I took it out and put in the colander and drain the hot water, and I immediately put some cold water, so that it will retain all the vitamins and things, the nutrients which is in spinach does not go away with the hot water. That's the reason why you have to put the cold water. Once it is drained out, what I have done, I have taken everything in a blender and processed it and made into a puree. Spinach puree I have made out of the spinach. 3 bundles of spinach, it becomes very less when you make a puree. So the ingredients which we are going to use for spinach peas curries are the spinach 3 bundles, 1 cup of green peas I have taken. These are frozen green peas, so it's almost cooked. And I have taken 2 tomatoes and have made a puree of tomato puree also. I have onion. This onion is for when I will be cooking. I will be using this onion, and the ginger garlic paste which I am going to use. This onion, ginger, garlic, the red chili and the estofida I am going to use for giving the tempering to the spinach peas curry. Going to put very minimum oil, 2 teaspoons of oil. Once it is hot, I am going to put the onion. I will fry it while that is red translucent. I will add the ginger garlic paste. Fry till the raw smell of garlic goes away. I'm cooking in high heat. To this I am going to add the tomato puree. I will be adding a little bit of garam masala. Let it cook well till the oil separates from the side. When it is done, now I am going to add the spinach puree. Well, I have mixed it well. To this mixture, I am going to add the peas. And mix it well. If you think that the gravy is too thick, you can add water. I will be adding water so that the peas will be cooked with the spices and the spinach. I am going to add a cup of hot water, not the cold water, because it is already hot, so it changes the taste. So I will add rest of the water. So I have added 1 cup of hot water. I will let it boil and cook. To this I will add the salt, which I have not added. I am going to add salt. Mix it well. Once it is done cooking for a few minutes, because the spinach is already boiled, blanched and pureed, I will be doing the tempering. The tempering part is the most interesting part of this recipe, and that tempering we'll be doing with the clarified butter or ghee. You can use unsalted butter also. I'm going to sift the spinach to one side, and I will let it cooked and cooked in sim for a few minutes. Now I'm getting ready for the tempering. Taken some clarified butter or ghee. You can use unsalted butter also, and I will let it warm. Cumin seeds. When it begins to splutter, I will be adding the green chilies, the red chilies. I'm going to add the onion. Let it cook for a while. I'm going to add the ginger and garlic pieces. I'm going to add a little bit of estofado. Once it is being cooked, that will reduce the heat, and I am going to add a little bit of garam masala and I am going to put this thing on the top of this one, and I will cover it. So I will open it after a few minutes. This is what it looks. And it is done. It can be served with chapatis or naan or butter naan, and it goes good well
with rice also. It's very healthy, very good.